Hey guys, welcome to this false tutorial for now in this tutorial we learn how to use plugs. So now insert object, then so now if we want to make a nice looking maybe pass to make players focus on it. So now I will show you. So now we'll go to plugs. Then if you don't know to plug, you will go to let me show you guys. So now and okay, we'll go to here, or we'll open here. So now maybe we need this plug, guys. So we'll click here, install. I already installed it. So let's begin now. So now I'm selecting all objects. Then I'm going to GapFill. So I will select right here, then like that. So now let's make something. So now we'll go here and like that. So see, okay. So now if you want to do a roof for a house by using this plug, so now we'll do like that, then do like that, then yeah. So guys, like that. So we need so guys, so now don't forget to do it accord. So thanks for watching that, and for now, so see you guys next time. Bye.